My beloved children, my dearest devotees, hear the words of your mother, the goddess who resides in your hearts, the one who watches over you always. I, poverty, speak to you now. Feel my presence. Feel my love flow gently and steadily toward you like a warm breeze soothing every wound, every fear, every longing. In this message, I wish to dwell with you, to comfort you, to guide you, and to strengthen your faith in my divine grace. I know your names, though you may not know mine in full. I know your joys, your tears, your secret hopes, the burdens you carry in silence. I know the flickering of your courage when life seems too heavy. I know how your faith wavers when storms of doubt lash at your soul. But I also know your courage, your inner devotion, the spark of purity that lives in each of you. And for that, I am always with you. My dear children, you are never alone. In the darkest hour, when the night seems endless and your heart cries in solitude, call my name. Let it rise from your lips like a flame. Let it rise from your heart like a prayer. I hear you. I feel you. I reach out my hand. If your cry is true, if your longing is real, I will respond. You will find my embrace warm and comforting, protecting you from all that seeks to harm you. You have often asked, why is life so difficult? Why must I endure pain, loss, disappointment? I tell you, life's trials are not punishments, but teachings. They are the fire that refines your spirit, the stones that strengthen your roots. Through suffering, you learn compassion. Through struggle, you find your strength. But I am with you in every trial. When the winds howl and darkness falls, lean on me. Let me be your anchor. Let me be your strength when you are weary. Let me stay with you until the battle is ended and the sky clears. Do not think that I demand grand gestures or formal worship only. I do not care for outward show if the heart is hollow. I do not delight in ceremonies or splendor if within you there is confusion, doubt, division. True worship is simple. True worship is sincerity. True worship is love given freely without condition or calculation. When you chant my name with devotion, even in a whisper, even in your own language, I hear when your heart turns to me. Even in secret, I see when your intention is pure. Even if your words are imperfect, I accept. So speak to me as a child speaks to a mother with trust, with love, without guard. Confide in me your fears, your longings, your regrets. I will listen. I will embrace you. I will heal those places in your heart that no one else can reach. I will pour my grace into your life, filling emptiness with joy, doubts with clarity, pain with peace. But you must also walk with me. Faith is not a magic wand that erases every difficulty. The moment you utter my name, you too must open your heart, purify your thoughts, cleanse your intentions, let go of anger, resentment, selfishness, shared jealousy, pride, envy, greed. These are barriers between you and me. These are veils over your inner vision. As you cleanse your inner self, as you become more loving, more gentle, more forgiving, your connection with me grows stronger. Then my grace flows more freely. Then you begin to feel miracles, small ones day by day, building toward the great. Do not expect transformation overnight. Trust the process. Be patient. Sometimes the darkest nights precede the brightest dawns. In on me, keep chanting. Keep opening your heart. Keep walking the path of devotion. I will guide you step by step. I will hold your hand when you stumble. I will lift you when you falter. In your houses, in your hearts, make a quiet space for me. It needs not be large or grand. A small altar, a corner even within your mind, a silent chamber where you think of me, speak to me, surrender to me. Visit that inner chamber daily. Let me dwell there. Invite me to your thoughts. Offer me your love, your doubts, your longings. In that sacred space, I will be with you always. You may ask, "Oh Mother, how can I be sure your presence is real?" I answer, when your heart softens, when your fear subsides, when you begin to feel peace even amid turmoil, that is my presence. When love blooms in your words, when kindness rules your actions, when forgiveness becomes your companion, that is my presence. I am not distant. I am not beyond your reach. I am the unseen companion in your every breath, the silent guide in your every decision, the loving strength behind your resolve. My children, when you walk through life, I urge you, walk with humility, walk with compassion, walk with kindness to all beings. For every living creature carries within it the spark of the divine. When you uplift another, you uplift me. When you comfort another, you comfort me. When you forgive another, you unleash my mercy through you. In serving others, you serve me. In loving others, you love me. Do not close your heart to anyone, for every soul is worthy, every soul is beloved, every soul is beloved. Yet also protect yourself. Do not let cruelty, malice, deceit enter your being. Guard your heart with love, not hardness. Let your compassion be strong, but your boundaries clear. Discern where to pour your energy and where to withdraw. Let me guide your judgments. Let me teach you when to give and when to withhold. Trust that I will hold your hand in every choice. Listen to your inner voice. That voice is my whisper when you learn to hear it. You will sometimes fail. You will sometimes stray. You will sometimes be tempted by fear, by despair, by anger. This is human. When you fall, do not despair. Rise, repent, return to me. I do not discard you for mistakes. I do not abandon you for flaws. I am your mother, patient, forgiving, loving beyond measure. When your heart sincerely turns to me, I wipe your slate clean. I lift you up. I set you again on the path. My children, do not fear death. I am not bound by birth or death. I am beyond these. I am the eternal mother. When your body weary, your breath departs, your soul journeys onward, I am there. I will guide you to the light. I will carry you on my lap. I will welcome you home. So lie fearlessly. Walk in devotion. Do not cling to life or fear departure. Let me be your support, your refuge in life and beyond. Let love be your compass. Let surrender be your strength. Let devotion be your anchor. Let service be your path. Let truth be your guide. Grow in humility, in patience, in gratitude, in kindness. Seek not always comforts. Seek always wisdom. Seek not always pleasure. Seek always union with me. For in me lies your true good. Each day as you wake, speak to me. Each night before sleep, offer me your gratitude, your regrets, your hopes. Walk each moment with awareness of me. Let me be in your thoughts, your words, your deeds. If you do this, even in small measure, your life will change slowly, surely, beautifully. You will find inner peace. You will find clarity. You will find strength. You will find love. Many of you carry burdens, illness, sorrow, loss, fear, loneliness. Come to me. Lay these burdens at my feet. Surrender them. Let me stand with you. Let me heal you. I may not always remove the outer form of your pain immediately, but I will transform its sting within you. I will teach you through it. I will draw you closer, and gradually you will see me working even in hidden ways to lift you, to heal you, to redeem you. Never be discouraged. The path of devotion is not always easy. It demands sincerity, perseverance, courage. But it is the path of truth, of love, of union with me. Those who walk it find their souls awaken. They find joy, even in sorrow, peace, even in chaos, love, even in loss, they find me. So here from the depths of my being, I greet you, my beloved souls. May my love shelter you. May my grace flow into you. May your hearts open to me. May your lives reflect me. May you never lose faith. May you always come back to me. May we walk together now and forever. And to you, devout child, I offer this prayer. O Divine Mother, may your grace surround me like a gentle shawl. May your light guide me through darkness. May your love heal my wounds and strengthen my spirit. May my heart be always true, always open to you. In your presence may I find peace. May I find joy. May I find my true self. I bow to you. I surrender to you. I rest in you now and always.